Today, I would like to share with you one of my very, I would say, important, but I felt or I've always feeling that I'm lucky that God selected me one of His courier to deliver what He wanted to deliver through my hands. So last year, 2020, we all know this pandemic happened, lockdown, we were sitting at home. So there were a lot of people, they lost their jobs. They didn't have the money to feed their families. And on that time, the whole world, across the globe, everyone started helping to each other. A lot of people providing ration. So I started like this, and I was traveling interior Sindh. Whatever I can give, I was giving. And I found that's not the proper solution. And one thing was stuck in my mind because there was a lot of people, they were not happy to take that ration. They were not happy to take that ration and give to their children. Okay, I'm bringing this, I'm sorry I'm using this word, कि भीख मुझे मिली है मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ. And it was really sad. And I saw, I remember I was sitting in Tawhid Commercial, DHA, and I know that person is living there. And right across the road, there were people who are giving the ration. And he didn't go there. He said, what if my neighbor or my children will see I'm taking this ration? So he went somewhere in Gulshan to take that ration. And that was the time, I guess, I'm sure, that God gave me an idea of what I can do in my capacity. So I decided the next whole year, whatever I will sell through Sanat Initiative, my gallery in Karachi, I will give that money to create entrepreneurship or small businesses. So I'm thankful to Abid Merchant. He's the owner of Sanat Gallery. He agreed with me. So he said, okay, I will leave my portion, and there is a two portion, one artist and one galleries. We will leave that and we'll provide whatever we can. So we started like this. So the first thing we gave, that was the Raksha. Before that, I'll tell you it, why I decided 1 year. Because as a human being, we always think, okay, that much we already gave, and this much we are giving. So I said, let's decide the whole year, and whatever I'll make, whatever is the already lying in the inventory in the gallery, whatever I will do the new work with you, and I started with the solo show, so that I don't have to bring this boundary, okay, that much I already give. So the whole next year I will keep giving this thing. So we started giving this Raksha. So we used to buy a Raksha, select a person, and give the money to register on their name and give it to them. Okay, this is your thing. Go and earn your money. So a lot of Rakshas and then loaders and Chingchi in the interior Sindh, and motorbikes for the riders, the delivery guys, and the other services people use to go from one area to another. And there was a, I remember I received a call from a girl. She said, we make this chips or Nimcos at home, and I have to deliver in different shops. So can you give me the scooty? I said, why not? So we gave a scooty. After looking at the scooty and posting that picture, a girl came and she said, I would like to use for that bike thing. Can you give me the like, scooter? I said, why not? And there was a woman, she came, she said, I make homemade food, but because I don't have a deep freezer or fridge, so there is a lot of wastage, and also I can't make big orders. So we got this deep freezer. So these were the things that we were giving, and it was supposed to end in the June, but on that time there was a fourth wave or third wave of corona was ongoing. So I decided that this whole 2021, I will keep doing this project. And so, one thing I realized, you don't need money to be a good courier. Just passing a smile, just passing a good gesture can be enough. And I remember 10 to 11 years back, I started curating the shows. And let me explain you. A curator is like someone, a conceptual middleman between an artist and a gallerist. So what I started curating young artists' shows into the galleries, so they can make a connection. So I was just doing a work as a bridge. So usually curators charge some percentage to curate. And I guess that's right. That's their right because that's their job they are doing. But luckily, I'm lucky enough that through my art, I earn. So I decided that I will not charge for my curation. So till now, I'm curating shows and still I don't charge. And I always believe because curating these kind of shows, I backed up by a lot of blessing, a lot of prayers from their parents, the young artist parents. Otherwise, I'm 110% sure my art is not up to the level that is getting sold. But I guess their prayer always making a shield around me. So thank you, whoever prays for me. But here I would like to discuss two my dream projects because I can see these students, they can become the best courier. They are the one who can fulfill this dream. And I'm a teacher, I'm teaching for the past 18 years. And every second week I see some students are celebrating their birthdays. So here's the deal. Order whatever you want to order for your birthday, usually a student order. Please don't order double, like don't order 2 orders. Only order whatever you wanted to order to eat on that time. Don't use leftover, what I'm saying for that. And share that thing with the people who can't afford. And believe me, you will find out in your vicinity those people. Can you imagine how many days or how many students are celebrating birthdays every year in these institutions? If they will start sharing, how many people are having those kind of food? Might be I'm using the wrong word, but that is the reality. Ask that God when you are, the delivery guy is coming and you are paying some thousands of that one fast food, how they are feeling. Can they take with their for their children or not? Why I came up with this idea. I remember when this thing happened and I gave it to this my guard. And he said, oh, I'm not eating, I will take to my children because they never had pizza. And believe me, that wasn't a good answer from himself. So, I tell you one thing, you will do this thing and you will feel so much happy. You know, the doctor needs that, what is called that gadget to see your heartbeat. Believe me, you don't need that gadget to actually listen your heartbeat. You can even feel the a pause between 2 beats. You will feel so much happy to share something. Share your part. Don't order double. Don't use leftover. One more thing. One more dream that I would like to talk with you. That is, we are living in Karachi, especially in this city. Water is a very big problem, and clean water is a very, very big problem. So what if I'll ask, you know, I studied before art, commerce, so always my commerce comes and makes some lights in my head. So what if I'll ask a 30, 40 students class if they will just spare 2 rupees per student per week, only 2 rupees. So you can buy a good RO plant's water, big bottle that you can provide to them. It's not only water, it's a healthy life for their family. And if I'm talking 2 rupees per week, that means I'm talking 8 rupees per month. You can't even buy a small packet of chips. You can't even buy a small juice from out of that 8 rupees. And it's not only for students. It's my wish that all the offices, all the multinational companies, if we will start, this thing will going to start happening. And there is a very big courier in this world, which is called good karma. Believe me, do something good. That karma will gonna come. Find out your country, it will find out your city, your street, your door, and it will knock your door and say, sir, here your present, full of blessings. And with the big smile, will give you the message, God bless you. Thank you for listening.